Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Intercom templates to personalize product messaging, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin updating Intercom templates, log into your Intercom account. Navigate to the Inbox or Messages section on the left sidebar. Click on Templates to access existing templates. Select the template you wish to update or personalize. Once opened, review the current content in the template. Identify sections that require personalization, such as greetings, product names, or user details. To insert user data, click on the placeholders available in the editor. Choose the appropriate fields like name, email, or other personalized variables. Edit the text surrounding the placeholders to maintain a friendly tone. Feel free to add any specific product information relevant to the user. Consider using engaging language that resonates with your audience. Preview your changes in the editor to see how it looks. Make sure the template is still visually appealing and easy to read. Once satisfied with the updates, click on the Save button. Test your updated template by sending a message to yourself or a colleague. Review the message for any final adjustments needed before it goes live. If all looks good, you're ready to use your updated template in real conversations. Regularly revisit and update your templates to keep them fresh and relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.